Hello students, let's read this question. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find at the same time first the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high, and second the height of a pole which casts a shadow 5 meter long. So let's start the solution. As we have given that the height of the pole and the length of the shadow are in direct proportion, and we also know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then we can convert all of the distance in centimeter, like we have 5 meter 60 centimeter. So we can write this as 5 into 100 plus 60, which will give us the value as 560 centimeter. Similarly, we have 3 meter 20 centimeter. We can write this as 3 into 100 plus 20, which will give us the distance, which will give us the height as 320 centimeter. Now another 10 meter 50 centimeter. This will be 10 into 100 plus 50. This will give us the height as 1050 centimeter. Again, we have 5 meter, which will be 5 into 100, which will give us the value as 500 centimeter. Now move on to the first. So let the length of the shadow of another pole be x. So from this we can say that height of pole in centimeter is given in question that we have just converted as 560 in centimeter and 1050 in centimeter. Then the length of shadow in centimeter should be, for 560 it is 320, and for 1050 it is, we have to calculate, that is x. So as it is in direct proportion, we can write this as 560 by 320 should be equals to 1050 by x. So we can write this as x into 560 should be equals to 1050 into 320. From here we can calculate the value of x, which is equals to 1050 into 320 divided by 560. So solving this, we get the value of x as 600 centimeter. So converting it into meter, we get the value of x, or the length of shadow in meter, as 6 meter. So length of shadow of another pole is 6 meter. Now move on to the second part. Let the height of the pole the x. So as per the question, the height of pole in centimeter is given as 560, and we have to calculate the value x, and the length of shadow in centimeter. For 560 height, the length of shadow is 320, and length of shadow is given as 500. So we have to calculate the height of pole. So as we know they are in direct proportion, we can write this as 560 by 320 should be equals to x by 500. We can write this as x into 320 should be equals to 500 into 560. So from here we can calculate the value of x, which should be equals to 560 into 500 divided by 320. So from here we get the value of x as 875 centimeter. So for converting it into meter, we have to divide this by 100. So it will give us the answer in meter. So in meter, the answer will be 8.75 meter. That means we can write that the height of the pole is 8 meter 75 centimeter. So we have calculated the length of shadow cast by another pole, and we have calculated the height of the pole when shadow is of 5 meter long. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.